Stafford the Banker Engine, written by Duck Show Studios. Stafford is an electric shunting engine. He works at Knapford Yard. He can't go very far, or else his battery will run out. Today, Stafford was feeling very sad about that fact indeed. He rolled along and coupled up to a train of trucks. Rosie and Stanley saw that Stafford was sad. "Oh, Stafford, what's wrong?" said Rosie. "Oh, I'm stuck in this yard all day in and day out," said Stafford. "We all are," said Stanley. "Oh, but you two can have your adventures. And I can't go very far or else my battery will run out." "Oh," said Stanley. "Oh," said Rosie. Stafford shunted Gordon's trucks into the station. Gordon and Henry looked back. They could see that Stafford looked sad. "Oh dear, what's wrong, Stafford?" said Henry. "Indeed, please tell us what's wrong," said Gordon. "Oh," said Stafford, "I'm stuck in this same yard day in and day out. I can't go very far, else my battery will run out." Gordon and Henry felt sorry for Stafford. Stafford went to fetch Henry's coaches. He picked them up and shunted them in. "Here you go, Henry," said Stafford. "Thank you, Stafford," said Henry. Henry started up, but his wheels kept slipping. "Oh dear, wheel slip," said Henry. "Henry has wheel slip." "Oh," said Gordon, winking at Henry. "That reminds me. I remember once when Thomas woke me up from my nap and I decided to pay him out by not waiting for him to be uncoupled. And then I took him on a ride around the island whether he liked it or not." "Oh," said Henry, "you mean I do." "Oh," said Stafford, "you mean I do." "Stafford can act as a banker and help you with your wheel slip, Henry. And then you two can pull the train across Sodor." "But what about my battery running out?" said Stafford. "Well, Stafford, I can manage most of the train on my own, so you could just let me pull you most of the way." Sir Topham Hatt was asked about the idea and he agreed. Stafford pushed from behind. Henry, are you ready?" "Ready, Stafford." And the train set off. Stafford pushed Henry out of the station until his wheel slip got better. "It's working, Stafford, it's working," said Henry. "Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, my battery. I better turn my engine off," said Stafford. "Radio," said Henry. They raced across Sodor, Henry and Stafford. Henry was almost at Vickerstown to drop off his train of enthusiasts with the Flying Scotsman. Stafford was enjoying the ride. "I get to see the rest of Sodor. This is wonderful. Ha ha. They raced into Vickerstown, where the Flying Scotsman was waiting. "Oh, Henry," said the Flying Scotsman. "You're spick and span and right on time." "Oh, Henry, my lad," he said, looking back. "There's an engine at the back of your train." "Yes, he wanted out of the yard," said Henry. "And thanks to Henry, I got my wish." "Oh, well, jolly well then," said the Flying Scotsman. The passengers boarded his coaches, and with a mighty toot of his whistle, Flying Scotsman coming through! And that's the end.